How to create a UCSBnetID. A UCSBnetID is required to access campus networks and systems. If you need access to these for participation in your course, you will receive an email asking you to create a UCSBnetID and password. Do not attempt to create this account until you have received this email. Before creating your account, you will need to know your extension ID. Your extension ID is the username issued for your UCSB Extension Student Profile account. The ID can also be found by logging in to your student profile. To create a NetID, please visit identity.ucsb.edu and click on A Student Enrolled through UCSB Extension Open University. You will be prompted to enter your last name, date of birth, and extension ID. Your date of birth needs to be in the format indicated: 2-digit month, 2-digit date, and 4-digit year. For example, if your birthday is April 17, 1992, you need to enter 04 for the month, 17 for the date, and 1992 for the year. Once you click Sign In, you will come to this screen. If you get an error message at this point, you have not entered your information correctly, or your information is not in the system. If you received an email to create your account and you did enter your information correctly, please email help@extension.ucsb.edu to request support. Once the system recognizes your information, click Begin Identity Activation. This screen includes policies and guidelines. Please read carefully and then click I agree. You will then be prompted to answer a series of security questions. If you do not have a response for a particular question, you can click the pull-down menu and select from other questions. Please remember your responses, because if you need to reset your password, you will be asked to respond correctly to one or more of these questions. Once you've responded to all the questions, click Continue. You will then be asked to choose a NetID from the list provided, or you can create one on your own. Please choose one you will remember easily. Next, decide whether you will regularly check UCSB's UMail account, the campus email system, or you want to have your UMail account forwarded to a more personal email account you check regularly. Choose Deliver Emails to the UMail account, which is indicated on the screen, your NetID at umail.ucsb.edu, or click Forward your email to a personal email account, then click Continue. Next, you will be prompted to create a password. The rules are: length between 8 and 16 characters, needs to be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters and digits, and not based on a word that can be found in the dictionary. Once you click Continue, you will have created your UCSB NetID and password. Please remember these. Write them down if necessary. If you need to reset your password in the future, you will need to visit this site, respond to the prompts, and then click Reset My Password, which is on this screen. You are now prompted to log out for security purposes. For more information, visit our website, extension.ucsb.edu, and click on Help Center, or email us at help@extension.ucsb.edu. See you in class.